Alright, folks. Stage 1 is complete. Operation Clean Sweep. Blizzard 2010. Vehicle recovery. Got the white car cleaned off. Yep, she ain't going nowhere, but it's cleaned off. Got the truck cleaned off. Yep, ready to go. Whenever, emergency arises, you gotta be able to stick and move. I refuse to go to a small vehicle, I wanted a sports car, That's why the wife got the Mazda, I want to zoom, that's what I zoom in, Had the van, I refused to get a van up, But I said, well, as the van came through so many problems, I said, the van got to go, baby. Now I got to tackle the front walkway. Ooh, look at that hill. Look at the fence. Are you serious? Somebody lost power. Not power, but they got no cables. The line driven down the street. But oh well, that's it. I don't know if you can see back there in the distance. That's B-Day Parkway behind the house. Let's see, I get a little closer. Through those trees is B-Day Parkway. You probably can't see nothing because ain't no cars moving on it. But hey, not a soul in sight. One of my neighbors was down here. He was cleaning this walkway out. I don't know where he at now, but alright, the wind picking up again. So that means I get the shovel going. Me and Mother Nature having a battle. Blizzard 2010.